5 Unexpected Health Benefits of Watermelon Juice. Watermelon juice is an often overlooked health drink, but did you know that it offers several unexpected health benefits? Watermelon juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve your overall health. In this video, we'll be looking at 5 of the most surprising health benefits that watermelon juice has to offer. From aiding in weight loss to helping reduce inflammation, these 5 health benefits will surely surprise you. So, if you're looking for a healthy drink to help you reach your health goals, consider adding watermelon juice to your diet. 1. Aids in digestion. Watermelon juice is a rich source of dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. And because it's high in water content, it helps keep your body hydrated and your bowels functioning properly. The high water content of watermelon juice also helps to flush toxins from your system, aiding in digestion even further. It also helps to prevent constipation and bloating. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and water make watermelon juice a powerful weapon in the fight against digestive issues. Drinking a glass of watermelon juice every day could be just what your digestive system needs to stay in top form. Don't forget to get plenty of exercise as well, as this will further aid digestion. 2. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties found in watermelon juice are thanks to its high levels of lycopene and vitamin C, both of which have natural antioxidant qualities. Studies have shown that lycopene helps to reduce inflammation in the body and can even help to protect against the development of certain chronic diseases. What's more, watermelon juice also contains high levels of potassium, which can help to reduce muscle cramps and other soreness caused by exercise. 3. Improves heart health. Watermelon juice is full of amazing health benefits, but one you may not be aware of is how it can improve your heart health. Rich in lycopene and vitamin C, watermelon juice has been found to lower the risk of heart attack and stroke, as well as reduce bad cholesterol levels. Lycopene has powerful antioxidant properties that can help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Research suggests that drinking watermelon juice can help reduce the amount of oxidative stress in the body. This can help keep blood pressure levels in check and reduce inflammation in the arteries, thus improving overall heart health. The high levels of potassium in watermelon juice can also help regulate blood pressure and keep your heart rate steady. And studies suggest that it can even help prevent calcium deposits from building up on artery walls, which can cause blockages and lead to serious health issues. 4. Helps with weight loss. If you've been looking for a way to kickstart your weight loss journey, then you might want to consider the surprising health benefits of drinking watermelon juice. First of all, watermelon juice is full of vitamins and minerals that can give you an energy boost throughout the day. The fruit is rich in vitamin A and C, which are essential for healthy metabolism, muscle growth, and cell repair. These nutrients can also help you burn more calories during your workouts. Second, watermelon juice is a natural diuretic. This means it helps your body flush out excess sodium and water. When you drink plenty of watermelon juice, your body becomes better at flushing out toxins and unwanted fluids that can cause bloating and weight gain. Third, watermelon juice is a low-calorie beverage. You can enjoy a glass without feeling guilty, as it only contains 30 to 40 calories per 8-ounce serving. Plus, its natural sweetness makes it a great alternative to sugary drinks like soda. Finally, watermelon juice is packed with dietary fiber. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and helps keep you feeling fuller for longer. This means you can avoid unhealthy snacks between meals and stick to your weight loss goals. 5. Boosts energy levels. When it comes to boosting energy levels, few fruits can rival the power of watermelon. It contains a variety of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, B6, C, and magnesium, which all contribute to increased energy. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce and use energy from carbohydrates, while magnesium helps to regulate your metabolism. But that's not all. Watermelon is also rich in antioxidants, which protect the cells in your body from free radical damage. This damage can be caused by environmental toxins or unhealthy lifestyle choices, and can lead to fatigue and low energy. By consuming watermelon juice, you can help keep these harmful agents at bay and enjoy an increase in energy levels. Furthermore, watermelon juice is packed with electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, which can help replenish those lost during exercise. These electrolytes are key for maintaining adequate hydration and keeping your energy levels up throughout the day.